Good morning to all. Today I am telling you about National Sports Day. National Sports Day is a public holiday celebrated in various countries to honor the national sports teams and sport it earns of those countries. On this day, people from different age groups take a part in sports like kabaddi, marathon, basketball, hockey, etc. National Sports Day by countries. India. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won gold medals in Olympics for India in years 1929, 1932 and 1936. He scored 570 goals in his career from 1926 to 1949. After putting his stamp on international hockey arena and having served things country to reach its pinnacles of glory multiple times. He was a legendary figure in the Indian and world hockey. The most noted memorials for him were the Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India, and the National Sports Day celebrations on his birthday. Major Dhyan Chand learned the game of hockey from his coach Pankaj Gupta. There is no one who has reached his level in hockey. The birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand is on 29th August 1905. Iran. In Iran, October 17 is known as Physical Education and Sports Day, and from October 17 to 23, the week is named Physical Education and Sport Week. The main goal is presentation of importance of exercise in personal and social life of people, and also has been implicit in article of the Constitution. Japan. Japan's Health and Sports Day is a national holiday commemoratable in October. It was first held on 10th October 1966, the second anniversary of the opening of the 1964 Summer Olympics held in Tokyo. Since 2000, it has been held on the second Monday of October. Malaysia. National Sports Day is a national holiday in Malaysia, held annually on the second Saturday in October, with the main objective of promoting a healthy lifestyle among its population. The first National Sports Day was held in 2015. Qatar. National Sports Day is a national holiday in Qatar, held annually on the second Tuesday in February, with the main objective of promoting a health lifestyle among its population. The first National Sports Day was held in 2012. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.